Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're getting all the TPs in the market. So today we're gonna backtest the strategy what I have explained in the last video of premium and discount, and it's going to be super informative video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share the content to other people. So let's start the video with the previous. I'll just go quick through how previous what we have discussed in the video was premium and discount, which is we'll take a premium and discount tool from here to the topmost point, which is this level, and we will see for the discounted price. Now if you see what is the trend of the market, we have a bullish trend switching because we have a bearish momentum, then we have swept all the like we have broken all the structures to the upside, and we have seen this as a bullish flow, order flow. And what we have seen over here is the new highs created, and from here to here we have this whole premium and discount. Now if you see what market has created over here is inducement. So this over here is an inducement which is created. And for premium and discount zones, the zones which I'll be look for buys are simple ones, which are this one which already got tapped right now, but I'll take the wick of this zone. So this is my first point to look for the buy trade, and the second point will be the down one, the totally down one. So these are my two demands to look for buys to the upside at this moment. Now what we're waiting for, we're waiting for the price to take this high and just go through it, how the price will go and how the price will react to it. And we'll going to do one more thing, which is make it to the intraday setups, that how we can just go from here to this point, but not taking only one trade, which is just one buy from here to here, rather than going to the fullest intraday settings. So my first trade will be this point where I'm taking a buy. And if you see over here, this is my simple approach trade that I created a premium and discount. This is my buy point. This is the zone I selected. This is the zone I selected as a second point, and now I'm just looking for a simple buy. Now let's see if I got executed over here. So the market tapped me, and then boom, we have straightly gone. If I go on 5 minute, a small time frame, that would be a nicer entry for this. And if I switch, okay, everything was good, everything was great. If I refine my zone, this was a uh, like if sorry, if I just make this as a zone, this would be a very good one, as a good entry. Now from here to this top over here, we have the whole trade, which is 10-hour trade. It's fine to take a 10-hour trade over here, but what my style of trading is to take all the intraday setups that has been formed in this period. So I'll wait for the market to create another trade entry for me till the time I'm waiting. So here the market again came to the entry. Now if you see over here, I didn't refine my zone to the 5 minute, I'm just sticking to the 15 minute. But if you see over here, if we have done this as a refined one, as a refined zone, market still taps you in. See, the market still taps you in over here and not let you go without the trade. So this was also a validation trade, but I don't trade, I just go with 15 minutes. That's better for me to go with. Okay, now if I see over here, I am not seeing any opportunity of buying right now unless and until I see a good break of structure to the upside, a good level of demand created. So let's wait for the market to create some good level of demand. And now if you see, we have done a quite good break of structures to the upside. Now we can look for a good level of demand, that here from here we can look for a good buy. Now if you trade in this zone where you look for buy and sell, you have to make sure that which is the supply you are selecting from and why you are selecting from. So if you directly see this way, this is the first supply which you'll see, and most likely it is going to be taken out because it's a trap. It's a full trap for the traders who are just selling their trades, like putting the stop losses over here and just being very fast, very quick on this. It's going to be taken out at the first moment. Now if you see over here, you have one, two, three supplies. Now which will you choose? So at the moment when you have these type of supplies, at three supplies you have, at this point where you're confused, you let market do its thing. Market create a supply. because over here you have multiple supplies. One is at the extreme, that is fine, but over here there's no supply over here. It's all a type of liquidity. It's like multiple supplies. So what you have to do is you have to wait for the market to create a liquidity for yourself. Okay, that's fine, better. And if I go on 15 minute and if I see, there is this one big supply demand is creating over here, which is this level. Okay, this is a good level of demand which is created, so that I can look for another buy trade over here. Okay, so this is a good level of demand. Now what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for the market to create a supply for me. Okay, the market has created a kind of equal highs, which is over here. Okay, and then I think the highs are taken. No, okay, this is a type of trend line liquidity which is taken right now. Now, when I am targeting this as a demand to look for a buys, I don't want the market to come over here and touch. If the market come over here and touch, my sales are done. I have to buy from here. But now let's, if the market has made in the Asia and Asia comes up to this level and ends up this level, then I can look for a short term sell to this point. So let's wait for the Asia because I don't trade Asia. And then what we have done is, okay, we broke this. Now what we have seen, yeah, now the Asia has taken, liquidity has taken by this over here as an impulsive move to the upside. Now just wait for the market to create. Yeah, see over here the market created a best form of supply for you guys, so that you can look for a short term sell over here, because over there we didn't find any good level of zone to look for a sell. Okay, just we'll take an entry from here, or you can take the entry from 50%. But for me, I'll take the entry to the upside, because I lost like a few trades by taking the entry at 50%. The risk to reward is good, but still I'll just possibly take this one. Then I'll target this demand, and from here I'll look for a buy setup. So from here I look for a buy setup. And then what will be my liquidity area to look for buys is that extreme high, which is this level. So let's wait for the price action, how the price goes away, and how the price react to the zones. Now when the market comes over here and take this buy, we have to get extremely sure that how the market is taking the demand, because these are the extreme demand levels. And if you see, the stop loss are 10 pips, which is not a good one for me. I'll look for a more precisable entry if I see. Okay, or else that's also good. And one more thing, if the market comes and touch this without executing this, this is invalid. So till now it's not have been touched. Okay, now here we got entry in our trade. Let's see how it goes. And okay, we melt, and okay, we have taken all. Now what we have done, we have taken entry in this trade also, which was direct entry. And now if we got a chance, we will look for a re-entry on this, because the first entry we already got over here, and another entry will look and see how the market will react. Okay, so it hit the stop loss, but if you have spreads, then this is not a stop loss for me, because I just always add few pips to the spread. But if it's for you, you can just have it. Okay, if I go to 15 minute, what's the price doing, I have to see. Okay, the price is making some. Okay, the price has came again to the break even point. So at this moment, I'm just waiting for the price to create a good form of bullish side of confirmation to me that yeah, now the price is bullish. So still the market is consolidating phase. And okay, now what I saw over here is the market has broken the structure to the upside, which is okay, not have done till now. The market has not broken the structure. Now see, that's a very important point which I have to tell you right now. If you're able to see, this is a break of structure to the upside. This is not a break of structure to the upside. I'll confirm you this with, wait a second. Yeah, if you see over here, this I'll not consider as a good break of structure, rather than this one. Okay, this is a whole as a point of accumulation in the market, so I'll not consider this as a break of structure. It's just a normal move in the market. But if you see over here, the market has broke the structure to the upside, which is over here, so I can mark this as a break of structure. Now what market did, market just tapped in over here and then went up. So If the market broke this structure, all the SMC traders will think to buy from this point, which is this. Okay, but what we have to do and what market do is market take the stop losses and then goes up, which means that this zone is valid, not the above one. Okay, remember this thing. When the market creates something like this, always think that market is not doing just for the sake purpose. It is because the market wants you to get the minimal entry, the best entry which you can get. Okay, so this is an SMT and this is an trade entry. So for me, this will be the entry of the trade and that will be my stop loss, which is now a good one, which is 4 pips. And now I will target the buys to the upside, which is the topmost point, the highest point, this level. Okay, and you will be asking me what about the demand which is over here. We will ignore it because the market has respected this one, and once we are in sell at that moment we can look for it, but right now we will ignore it because the market has gone. Now this is an SMT. It is valid only and only if the market broke this structure. If the market came back, then this is not valid. If the market broke the structure to the upside, that means that this smart money trap is valid. So okay, now this moment where the people will be like, okay, first tap came over here, tap into the zone, again went up, break of structure, so which means this zone is valid. Now this whole the black candle and hole, this one, so this whole zone is valid. But no, that's not the case. That's a simple SMT. And if you see how efficiently the price has taken the smart money traders, and now the price will be reverse. See, so that's how you will avoid all the traps which has been done and all the things which been seeing to you with how the market will react, how the market will look for the trades. Okay, now if I see, it will just go on to the upside, or if it comes to the break even, there's no point in that because all the confirmations of bulls and the price to be bullish are there. Okay, so we have done the next Asia session of the market, and we had, okay, so we had our TP at this point. Now again, let's go to 15 minute and see how the price is reacting to the market. And we see that in the Asia session, once the Asia session is completed, the market has reacted straight to the upside. And if you see, in a very small time frames, in every small time frames, this is also a premium and discount where the market came to the discount area and then went up. Then this was also a premium and discount where this one, the small one, where the market has came to the discount area, tapped in and then went up. So every moment when these things are happening, the market respects the premium and discount zones. So once this is done, we wait for the market to have a good pullback so that we can look for sells. Right now there is no pullback, waiting, just waiting raw, because there is also a no break of structure, no break of structure. I'm just waiting for the good pullback, and I'm expecting a good pullback from the market. I'll go on. Okay, so I'm on 15 minutes only. Okay, then we have nothing, no. Okay, we saw a drop. Okay, now if you see over here, there was no break of structure which is done at this point. No break of structure, no break of structure, no break of structure, no break of structure. Here at the moment we got the first break of structure, which is over here, which means all the smart money people will think that this is the best zone to buy sell. Okay, this is the best supply zone which they can look for sell. But what's the case? It will be an SMT taken out, simply taken out. Now the market will reverse, because that's what the market do. The market takes the money from you and then the market goes to the fullest down, or maybe the reversal. Now if I make you see, this is the whole buy trade from here to here. Now if you see on 1 hour, where I usually make the premium and discount zone to make a bigger time frame picture, this is the start of the zone and this is the uh, end of the zone if the market reverse from here. Because now I think that's the best probability for the market to reverse, because this inefficiency also taken out, these all liquidity from here is taken out. So that's a maximum possibility for the market to go a little more up or just give me a structure break to the downside to go for downside where I'm targeting. So if you see in this discount zone, this is already tapped in, this is already tapped in. No, we don't have to take this. This is a good level, this is not a good level, because over here the price is accumulated in a form, like it's a different type of thing which I cannot tell you right now. So over here this is purely SMT which will be taken out, and if you see the market will come over here, and how the price, if the price react to from this buy over here, then we'll look for the upside trades. If the price come to react on this point, then we'll see how we have to trade. Right now I have to take a sell trade in this direction, because the SMTs are already taken. Now I want a good break of structure to the downside so that I can take a trade, because a validation for me is what I need. It's all dead. Okay, so here I can see that the market has done a breakout structure to the downside. Now you will look for sell trades. Here again the SMC thing will play, where the smart money people will think to sell off again at the earliest point, and then they will be taken out. Let the Asia finish, because I don't trade Asia. Okay, now the Asia is fixed. Now for an average SMC trader, what's the best supply for him to look for sell? Is this point, Asia high. It has liquidity, and this is a point I look for premium and discount. So from here to here, because I see a good reversal, this was in my premium zone, which is valid for me. But over here I can see equal highs, I can see Asia high. So this supply is purely a smart money trap for me. Okay, now which supply is valid? If you see over here, the market once it's like the fractal market, this level has all the liquidities, is a trend line liquidity. Okay, and if you see the traders who are little more advanced ones, because the ones which are forming the pairs like ICT ones, and ones who knows that this is equal highs, this Asia high liquidity which needs to be taken out. So for them the market has also created this level with inefficiency to make them fall, that yeah, this was the best level to look for sell. If you look closely, this candle has formed in such a way that the market makers or the persons who are little more advanced in the strategies think that okay, this level is a good one for sells. But no, the actual level for sell which is good is after this SMT is taken out, which is this zone over here, this wick zone over here. Okay, so in actual this is the zone where what we will look for a good sell trade. And this is my actual supply where the smart money is over here taken out, the second smart money is over taken out, and the stops will be something as if I say 5 pips would be enough, 4 pips will be, because I'll cover this high of the wick. If this is taken out, I'll look for a re-entry, no problem. And where will be my TP? My TP will be straight to the down, what I'm aiming for on a 1 hour time frame, which is this level, this demand where I look for a buy. This demand is good. Okay, or I yeah, this demand is good for me, so I'll take this demand as my TP. And how much are it's 84 hour. Okay, it's great trade. I'll not hold this for the fullest, like I'll just close majority at 10 hour, and then I'll see if I hold or not, because I have to see how price react to the market. So I'll go on quickly 5 minutes, and I'll show you how the market reacts to all the SMC traders. Just see it very normally. So the market is coming up. Okay, if you see, the market reacted from this supply SMT level, and make them understand that yeah, this was a good level for them to put the BE, and then market went straight up. Now if you see this move, that's what I was telling you about the whole thing, that this is where all the peoples will put the break even, be like ready for okay, we are now in ready for sales and everything is done. No, that's not the case. Okay, and if you choose this supply level as a stop loss, then my RR would be maximum like 158, but I'm not that much. I'll take this one up, and we'll see the market. I already done the break even, and see it's flawlessly going down. So let me go on a bigger time frame so that it finishes quick. and you can take the trades. Yeah, this is your premium discount. You can just see the premium zones every time. See how the price is reacting from here to here. We have this premium and discount. We have the first premium zone over here. The market tapped, went down. So market is respecting every levels of premium and discount. It's just that how you can trade it. Okay, so let's see. We had the TP, I think. We had the TP over here. Just a second. Okay, we haven't done till now because it will be done in. Okay, yeah, done. So that's how we used to trade with premium and discounts, and that's a short backtesting video of this. And I think it's how much 10 days of backtesting video and how much we made in this. One is we made 10 hour, then we made 6 hour, then we made 20 hour, then we made this 84 hour. So it's quite a good one. So, if you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment down your problems, or you can DM me. I'll give you the description in the link. Join the Telegram group. I share my trades over there. Okay. And if you have any doubt, feel free to DM me in my Instagram or Telegram. Okay. And thank you so much for watching the video.